That car's fixing the green car?
Yeah. Fixing the green car up there.
Cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz a ti, cumpleaños feliz, 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 ho, feliz, feliz, hey.
Today is Nicola's 3rd birthday. There's a ton of activities we're going to do today. This is going to eat first, and this year we have an Iron Man themed birthday party, which is really cool. And there are 3 kids, 2 actually dress up as Spider-Man, and the other one is another superhero, which is really cool. So first we're going to cut the cake. We're going to have food, and then we're going to cut the cake. Did I? Okay, there you go. Go ahead.
Happy birthday, Nicholas.
Thank you. Hi, Jamie.
Hi, Nicholas. Hi, Nicholas. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Hey, thank you.
Happy birthday, Nicholas. 生日快乐。
谢谢。OK，
生日快乐。
谢谢。
祝可乐生日快乐！耶！
You want to sing happy birthday song?
No.
You can do that too. After that, we're going to cut the cake for Nicholas. And we're going to sing him a happy birthday. There's going to be Iron Man themed birthday cake, Iron Man themed cupcakes, and cookies. So yeah, stay tuned for that. We're going to have a DIY banana split ice cream. So you can get to make your own banana split. Basically, you add your own dressing, you add 1 slice of banana, you add 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, and then you also add sprinkles, chocolate sauce, whatever you want. So it's a very DIY, very unique, and very cool.
It can be. He's just making them until people take them.
Alright, so Al right now is going to show us how to make a banana split. First, what you do first is you add 2 slices of bananas, and then after that 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, and then after that you can add blueberry topping.
Condensed milk?
You can also add condensed milk, whipped cream, and sprinkles. You can add chocolate dressing, marshmallows, Oreo, and also the chocolate syrup. So you guys can add whichever you like. It's like a DIY banana split. Also after that, we're going to play the piñata, which is one of the most exciting part of this party. For those of you who don't know, piñata is like, whether or not it's Iron Man theme or whatever, it's like a mascot, and then it's stuffed in candy, and then you can hit it with a stick. So yeah, that's what we're going to do after. And whatever candy falls off, the kids can pick off the floor. So please enjoy.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. All right, 换下一位。
下一位小朋友。
下一位。
来，开始唱歌。祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐。
后退一点。
大力点。
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Dear Nicholas, birthday to you. Okay, next one.
Happy birthday.
What is that? Show me.
What is it? Is that ours?
Avengers, Lego